Hello friends. Today I will share with you top 5 best wall clocks 2024, so let's check it out.
Product listed as price, review rating. Number 5.
Gold iron wall hanging clock. Elevate your living room or dining space with this luxurious gold iron wall clock. Its large size and creative design make it a perfect decorative piece for your sofa background or dining area. Fast shipping ensures you can enjoy this beautiful and functional wall hanging in no time.
Please note that the information can be changed at any time. Number 4.
Elegant black quartz wall clock. This elegant round quartz wall clock adds a touch of sophistication to your living room or dining area. With sleek black hands and numbers, it serves as both a functional timepiece and a decorative art piece. Ideal for gifting or home decor, its simple yet refined design complements any interior.
Number 3.
Nordic gold Lotus leaf wall clock. This large, gold Nordic wall clock is a true piece of art. Its lotus leaf design, circular geometry, and silent movement make it an elegant addition to your living room. The wall clock blends artistic flair with modern functionality, enhancing the decor of any space.
Please consider to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get more videos. Number 2.
Luminous metal art wall clock. Add luxury to your living room with this large, luminous wall clock. Featuring a digital display and a metal art design, this decorative piece combines elegance with practicality. Its unique design makes it an affordable statement piece for any modern home.
Number 1.
Modern wooden wall clock with LED light. This stylish, hole-free hanging wall clock features a luxurious Nordic design with a modern wooden aesthetic. It combines fashion with electronic LED lighting, making it a chic addition to your living room, perfect for contemporary interiors. It offers functionality and elegance.
Thanks for watching.